Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR M400 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, you will need a couple of things. You will need access to a working computer with the internet connection, and you will need also a USB cable that you can use to plug your watch to that computer. Once you have the computer with the working internet and the cable you can use to plug the device, your watch, to the computer, we can continue. And now we need to download and install the Polar Flow Sync application on the computer. So open a web browser. I'm gonna open Google Chrome, but you can open anything you like. And once you open the web browser, click on search and type in flow.polar.com/start. Once you type in this address, press enter, and it should bring you to this page. And on this page, as you can see, we have a couple of options like your phone, your computer, and stuff like that. We are interested in this category, your computer. And here we have Apple and Windows, depending on which system you're using. If you're using Apple, click on Apple. If you're using Windows, click on Windows. I'm gonna download the Windows version, so I'm gonna click on Windows. I'm gonna click on keep, and after the file is done downloading, I can click on it right here to execute it, and then we can click on yes. Select the language you like to use, and then click on OK. Then click on I accept, next. Select the path for the installation. I'm gonna use the default one, but you can change it if you want. Then next. You can also check the box to create a desktop shortcut if you like to, and then click next, and the application will start installing. And after it's done, you will be able to check the box to launch the application. This one, I recommend to check it, and then click on finish. And after that, the app will launch, and that's how it looks like. We have a window, and it tells us to connect our Polar product. So let's take the cable, the USB cable, the micro USB to USB-A. Take the micro USB end and plug it to the watch right here at the back. So I'm gonna plug it like this. Okay. Once you plug the watch, you can take the USB-A end of the cable and plug it to the computer. So let's do it. This won't stand, right? It won't. Okay, so let's plug it to the computer. The watch should be detected by your computer. It will also open the Polar Flow page. We can close it, and once the watch is detected, you will see the picture of it right here. Click on the settings icon, and here you have this big factory reset button. Click on it, click on yes, and wait. Do not disconnect your watch during this process, just keep it connected. And once you see the message factory reset done, you can unplug your watch. And once you unplug it, you can also close the application if you want to. Okay, I'm just gonna place it like this and close the app. And that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.